Hello friends. Because some of you were not able to attend meeting yesterday due to busy schedules and many of you asked for the recorded session. I did not record it yesterday because in live meeting I couldn't record properly because of low network. I am making this video for you. जो कोई वीडियो का रिकॉर्डिंग पूछ रहे थे उनके लिए रिकॉर्डिंग भेजा गया है। कल हम क्या क्या डिस्कस किया उसके बारे में एक स्मॉल रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो है, देख लीजिए। कुछ डाउट है तो मुझे इंडिविजुअल व्हाट्सएप करने के लिए कुछ लोग ऐसा बोल रहे हैं कि एक ग्रुप क्रिएट कर दो, जो कोई इंटरेस्ट है वो ग्रुप में आ सकता है और कुछ उसका डाउट है क्लियर कर सकता है। और बहुत लोग हमें अप्रिशिएट किया हमारा एफर्ट्स के लिए और उसको अच्छे तरीके से समझ में आया, हमारा एफर्ट को लाइक किया। उन लोगों के लिए ये वीडियो और ये वीडियो के साथ एक डिस्क्रिप्शन है व्हाट्सएप का, वहाँ पे आप ज्वाइन कर सकता है। यू कैन ज्वाइन द व्हाट्सएप लिंक which is given in the description. So let us not waste time and start whatever we understood yesterday once again. See, I am comparing Friday's market with today's market with Nifty 50. So what we discussed yesterday based on Friday market and what we could have seen today and understood from the Friday market. See, yesterday I told you for swing reversal, what is the signal that you are going to get. See some of the candles that I am going to mark. Okay, those are the things which is almost a signal of trend reversal. Okay, here you can see what has happened in the entire market on Friday. So whatever the signals that we are going to get, how visually without using any indicators we are going to find it out. कोई indicators use किया बिना हम कैसा swing यहाँ पे देख सकता है, हमारा नेकेड आई से स्विंग को कैसा पहचान कर सकता है। देखिए यहाँ पे रिवर्सल हुआ मार्केट, सो कंटिन्यूअस मार्केट ऊपर खुला और ऊपर ही चलता रहा। यहाँ पे कोई 5 मिनट के अंदर या 10 मिनट के अंदर सी पे एंटर किया तो थोड़ा प्रॉफिट उसको हो गया। जब ये सिग्नल आपको मिला, ओके, दो कैंडल ऐसा बन गया कि एक का हाई नहीं ब्रेक किया और लो को ब्रेक किया, रेड कैंडल बनने लगा। सो यहाँ पे आप कहीं एग्जिट हो सकता है। इफ यू एग्जिट इन सच अ वे where you are entering market somewhere here in the beginning itself and trying to exit somewhere here or somewhere here, you are in a little bit of profit. Okay, so bullish candles were formed continuously after continuous movement in the beginning opening of the market started following a downtrend. See, it tried to break the downtrend over here but it couldn't sustain. एक बार यहाँ पे डाउन ट्रेंड को ब्रेक करने के लिए गया लेकिन सस्टेन नहीं हुआ, फिर से थोड़ा थोड़ा नीचे आके डाउन ट्रेंड में मिल गया। ओके, फिर से यहाँ पे डाउन ट्रेंड कंटिन्यू हो रहा, अप ट्रेंड ब्रेक किया, ओके, सस्टेन नहीं किया, डाउन ट्रेंड में आ गया, फिर से यहाँ पे ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेक किया, उसके बाद कंटिन्यूअस यहाँ पे सस्टेन होने का हमको देखना मिला। सो ये एक आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन विदाउट एनी इंडिकेटर हो सकता है कि ऐसा ट्रेंड लाइन आप ड्रॉ करें। जब जब ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेक करता है, देखिए अगर कंटिन्यूअसली अगर वो ऊपर सस्टेन हो रहा है ट्रेंड लाइन को बिना छुए, without touching the trend line, if it is going to make continuous candle like here, it is going to give some kind of upside movement continuously. So at that time you can think of buying CE and holding it. CE buy करके ज्यादातर वेट कर सकता है, लेकिन यहाँ से गिरावट शुरू हुआ, मार्केट कंटिन्यूअसली ये ट्रेंड लाइन को फॉलो कर दिया। जब तक यहाँ पे 130 PM या 140 PM तक नीचे ही रहा, सो आपको अच्छा गिरावट मिला, जो अच्छा प्रॉफिट मिला वो पीई में मिला। सुबह में मार्केट को बुलिश दिखाया गया और उसके बाद स्विंग करा के नीचे लाया गया। ओके, इट वाज ब्रॉट डाउन फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग। सो दोज हु बॉट पीई हैज मेड प्रॉफिट देन पीपल दोज हु बॉट सी। ओके, आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग आउट दिस पर्टिकुलर ट्रेंड लाइन, okay, you can see it has break out the particular trend line, big green candle. After this green candle, once again what it done, somebody entering CE is somewhere here, it brought it downwards. That is, it tried to hit the stop losses exactly at the level of 14,800, which is being shown here. Got it? So that is what the trick of market is, how it is going to trap you. So CE में आया लेकिन स्टॉप लॉस लेके निकल गया, फिर से क्या हुआ, ये जो अप ट्रेंड शुरू किया था यहाँ पे ये कंटिन्यूअस बना रहा। कब तक बना रहा? जब तक ये कैंडल हमको सिग्नल दिया कि रिवर्सल की। swing reversal का signal दिया. So it has maintained the uptrend after getting exact signal here of swing reversal. It made continuous downfall. Okay. So here, if you have entered CE, you would have made a little bit of profit. Okay, very good profit indeed. But in Nifty market or in any other option market, you have to be very careful. They will trap you by hitting your stop losses. Even if you have bought CE somewhere here, okay, you have waited until here. They have come here. You did not book profit. आप यहाँ पे profit book नहीं किया, wait किया, लेकिन क्या हुआ? यहाँ पे नीचे आ गया, घबरा के यहाँ कहीं पे आप exit हो गया, फिर से यहाँ से ऊपर चलना शुरू कर दिया, फिर से यहाँ पे थोड़ा कंसोलिडेशन तक लेकर आया, ऊपर चला गया. So you have to know the levels very precisely, where to enter and where to exit. Same happened today. The market opened up bullish and they brought down immediately within first 45 minutes. Then once again, the market started moving up, consolidated itself. There was no movement, almost sideways movement, and slowly it reached up, pulled down once again to hit stop losses. Again, it went a little bit up and once again carried its sideways momentum. So here there is no entry at all, except if somebody is trapped in CE, they have to lose the money and exit somewhere here. Their stop loss is hit. Okay. Those who have bought PE somewhere here, they have made a little bit of profit. Okay. If they don't know where the market is getting the reversal, once again, you can see these candles are giving the swing reversal sign. If they have not entered CE somewhere here and trying to enter somewhere here, once again, if you enter somewhere here, it is consolidating. It is only giving a very little bit of movement. So even to realize 5 to 6 points in Nifty, at that moment, you have to wait for a longer period of time. And at this particular trend, he has pulled down to hit stop losses many a times. Okay, stop loss को hit किया. यहाँ पे जो सिग्नल बना, ये थोड़ा ऊपर लेके गया, रिवर्सल किया. यहाँ पे देखिए कुछ सिग्नल नहीं दिया, यहाँ पे मॉर्निंग स्टार का जैसा बनने का तैयारी आपको दिखाई दिया. It became like a morning star and started immediate fall, very drastic fall in just 2 candles. Okay, there even if you enter PE, you can realize 5 to 6 points. Scalping traders got money and option traders made money today. Here once again you can see the reversal. यहाँ पे एक reversal दिखाया और थोड़ा यहाँ से थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट दिखाया. यहाँ पे कोई सी में एंटर किया तो थोड़ा प्रॉफिट बनाया. ओके, उसके बाद क्या हुआ? एक ग्रीन कैंडल के बाद एक रेड कैंडल फॉर्मेशन हुआ. ये क्लियर रिवर्सल साइन नहीं है, लेकिन भी यहाँ पे थोड़ा मार्केट को नीचे लाया गया, स्टॉप लॉस हिट करा के, घबरा के जो सीई होल्डर्स था उसको एग्जिट करा दिया और पीई वालों को ट्रैक कर दिया. सो मेड सीई पीपल टू एग्जिट, hit their stop loss and trapped person who bought PE, who expected market to go further down from here. From here, they expected the market to somewhere end here. But from here, once again, it made a big green candle and went up to here. So that is the thing happened. Okay. That is without any indicator, you are going to do this kind of analysis. So if you need some indicator, one of the best indicator is combination of moving averages. Moving averages. How many moving averages that we can have? So have 50, it is red color. Okay, once again, go to studies, get another moving average. Here, change it to 10. Okay, change the color for your identification, make it somewhat blue. That is your 10-day moving average. Then go choose 100-day moving average. Change the color for this, make it somewhat green. Okay. Next, once again, use another moving average, which is 200. So make it somewhat yellow for your convenience. Okay. Remember, this entire game of price action depends on 10-day moving average. You can see the candlesticks forms. Here in the beginning, what happened? The market was open high. Moving average will be somewhere here, 10-day moving average. Gradually, it is going to move upwards. That means with your candle, it is going to go upwards. As it comes downward, the moving average approaches. Once it breaks the 10-day moving average, it trades in the downward. Unless until it is below 10-day moving average, it goes downward. Even you get small movement here. Okay. you can see small movement is given here. There is no much points that you are going to gain. So 10-day moving average is going to clearly indicate for scalping and option writers. And also if you want to buy some PE or CE, you can take this reference. At some point, what happens, this moving average, 10-day moving average is either going to cross 50 days, 100 days, yeah, 200 days moving averages. That means indicating further fall. If this crossover is happening, it is going to further fall. Okay. When these moving averages converge and start approaching each other and few of the candles are above it, it is going to give some kind of upward movement. Like that, you can, what you can see, you can see the movement of candles based on this moving average. See here at the end, moving average, 10-day moving average has broken 15-day moving average and has come down. But the market has been taken up, a little bit of buying has happened. Okay. The moment this 50-day moving average comes down and crosses this 100-day moving average, further fall will happen. At that time, 10-day moving average will also try to approach your 100-day moving average. If it is not the case, this 10-day moving average and 100-day moving average will move together and it is going to continuously go upside if the market tries to move on the upper direction. This goes your clear view. Unless until your Nifty is above 200 days moving average, it shows bullishness continuously. Whether it is a sideways market, whether it is a small fall somewhere here, okay, it is going to make sure your Nifty is bullish at all. Okay, you can check this in different time frames and confirm. In 15 minutes chart also, your 200 days moving average, 100 days moving average and 50 days moving average is below your 10 days moving average. Okay, so in 1 day chart or hourly chart, if you mention here also same scenario, 10, 50, 200, 10 and 100, all are below 10-day moving average. Okay, likewise. So see the variation of moving averages in different time frames for quite a longer period of time. You can understand what is the action that is happening. See, unless there was below 200-day moving average, okay, the up rally was not confirmed. Only you have to trade with the idea of 10-day moving average. 10-day moving average crossed 50-day moving average, further up movement, it crossed 100-day moving average, further upside, it crossed 200-day moving average, and also 50 days and 100 days crossed 200 days moving average. Nifty is continuously following the uptrend right from here. Okay, 15/5/2022 up till now, it is on the upper side itself. If the market is able to sustain from this level on this particular upper level, what happens? Further upside rally can be seen. Now, these are the things that you need to take care before buying CE and PE. These two things should be broken. And also this thing which is formed in a intraday chart. So it has to break here, it has to break here, it has to break here, and further upside rally, it may go up to 16,000 in coming days. If it is failing somewhere here, it is trying to come down from here, here or somewhere, it may once again reach this level, or once again it may reach this level below 14,000, once again reach somewhere here. These are your support levels on daily chart. Likewise, you can see your support and resistance in other charts also. Okay, so different time frames of chart you can see and understand what is the support and resistance levels. Okay, so you don't need extra knowledge, you don't need to study any extra kind of what rocket science. Many such strategies are there, not one. बहुत सा ऐसा स्ट्रैटेजी है जो आप सीख गया तो बहुत अच्छा समझ सकते हैं. आपको थोड़ा मन में डाउट भी लगेगा उस समय तक. अगर आप हमारा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में जुड़ के कुछ काम करना चाहते हैं, हमारे साथ कुछ सीखना चाहते हैं, you have to learn something with us. If that is your desire, you can join us. The WhatsApp link given below. So next indicator that I am going to talk is about how to find out this support and resistance. For that, what I'm going to find out. Here you can see there is pivot point. See, whatever the chart that I'm showing on Zerodha. Okay, you can also use TradingView, but I recommend for chart analysis, if you don't invest your money in Zerodha, but at least for chart analysis, you take Zerodha account. You open a Zerodha account. Okay. See here, you can see different lines. So whatever the black line that you are going to see, it is pivot point. Okay, above that are your resistances, below that are your supports. Below the black line is support, above the black line is resistance. The market has opened above this resistance, second resistance, that is 14,909. It has opened above this and it has failed to cross the previous day resistance, that is your 14,959. Somewhere around, it went around 14,966. It couldn't sustain. If it would have sustained, okay, somewhere here after first candle or second candle, it would have reached today itself 15,006. Okay, likewise, if it was able to break this level, once it break this level, but here the reversal was seen and once again went up above 14,909. Okay, it did not break this in the entire day. If it has broken and sustained, the first level would have been 14,860. The second line would have been 14,813. So this 14,813 becomes very strong support. Okay, strong support. That means if you need to further see if the fall, you have to break this level, and further resistance that support that you are going to get is something around 14,780 and a small support at 14,763. If this is broken directly, you can see 14,714 and this strong support of 14,696 or somewhere around 14,700. Like this, you need to understand. You cannot always put all the indicators together and learn. Okay, you mark these levels, write down in a sheet of paper and go with moving averages. आप सभी इंडिकेटर एक साथ लगा के मत देखिए चार्ट को, कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा आपको। ये स्विंग हाई स्विंग लो ये पता नहीं चलेगा, यहाँ पे आप कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे। सिर्फ आप सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस देख के रह जाएंगे। कैंडल स्टिक का जो भी सिग्नल रहेगा यहाँ पे जो रिवर्सल का सिग्नल, छोटा छोटा रिवर्सल का सिग्नल आपको मिला स्विंग का, ये आप भूल जाओगे। यू विल फॉरगेट द कैंडल स्टिक मूवमेंट इफ यू हैव टू मेनी इंडिकेटर्स। ओके, like this many strategies we have to discuss. I have many things in store, but only thing is people are not interested. लोगों को सीखने का मन नहीं है और ये उसका भी फॉल्ट नहीं मानता हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत सा लोगों को वो पैसा दे दिया और वो कुछ नहीं सिखाया, ऐसे फ्रस्ट्रेशन में वो रहेगा। फिर से मैं भी आके आपको बोलूंगा कि मैं कुछ सिखाऊंगा तो आपको जरूर गुस्सा आएगा। सो दैट इज व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम इज। सो यू फर्स्ट and foremost believe the people who is influencing social media. Okay, social media में जो आपको influence करता है उसके बारे में आप believe करते हैं। जो really कुछ जानता है उसको believe नहीं करता है, चाहे वो मैं हो और different person who know it very genuinely. Okay, so those who make you understand better, please join with them and try to learn something before investing your money. That is what my request is. Okay, there is nothing harm in learning share market and making money later. Share market is forever. It doesn't mean that you have to go right away and invest your money and start earning. Okay, by telling that, I'm going to end this meeting. Those who are interested can join the WhatsApp group. So it is limited, as I tell, 260 members. If further more people comes in, we can create second WhatsApp group. After all, I'm not going to provide any tips, any calls. If you want to learn something, you give ideas in the WhatsApp. What are the things that you are trying to learn? Okay, I shall prepare a module again. Upon that, I will also provide some kind of notes. I'll prepare my own notes. Okay, I will prepare notes. Whatever the recorded video possible, I can share it. Many of them offered me money. So even if you take 10,000, we are ready to join you. But that doesn't happen so easily, because if I ask money, once again, people will treat me as other YouTubers. Okay, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not making YouTube videos daily, only for your understanding sake. So if you really want to learn share market, it doesn't happen in 5 days, 10 days. You cannot learn share market in 5 or 10 days and become rich. Okay, it at least requires 20 to 25 days of complete understanding with 1 hour daily. So you have to spend at least 30 hours with me to understand share market correctly. So for me to find time 30 hours, it is very difficult, because I am a teacher, a professor in a college. I also have online classes daily. So I will not be sitting in the market daily. So unless until my profession becomes full-time trader, I cannot be taking this particular tips or call providing so easily. Now it is a lockdown time and I am available. मैं लॉकडाउन में थोड़ा फ्री हूँ आपके साथ टाइम बिताने के लिए और अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए। इसीलिए ये वीडियो किया। जो भी इंटरेस्टेड है व्हाट्सएप में ज्वाइन कर सकता है, कुछ सीखना है तो उसके बारे में हमें लिखे, हम भी उसके ऊपर कुछ स्टडीज करके आपके लिए कुछ निकाल सकते हैं, क्या देखता है। उसके बाद हम सोचेंगे वेदर क्लासेस करना है, 30-40 आवर्स का क्लासेस अगर करना है, कितना दिन हमको देना है और उसको कितना आप पैसा दे सकते हो हमें या नहीं पैसा दे सकते हो, इंटरेस्टेड और नॉन इंटरेस्टेड, वो सब आप बाद में रख लीजिए। ओके, पहला आप क्या क्या सीखना चाहिए, कहाँ कहाँ पे आप मार्क आया है, पेड ग्रुप से कैसा गलत कॉल लेके आप अपना पैसा खोया है, वो पैसा को रिकवर करने का सोचिए। उसके लिए क्या क्या करना है हम कर पाएंगे, लेकिन वो भी हमारा टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट है। अगर फुल टाइम हमें बैठना है इस लॉकडाउन में ही खत्म करना है, सो आप बार बार हमें मैसेज मत कीजिए, कॉल मत कीजिए कि क्या हो रहा है लाइव मार्केट में, मैं इधर ये खरीदा हूँ उधर वो खरीदा हूँ, क्या करना है क्या करना है, ये मत पूछिए। जो कुछ हूँ मैं समझाऊँ आपको समझाया हूँ। मैं 4-5 साल से बहुत सीखा हूँ, बहुत सा ट्रिक्स बहुत सा स्ट्रेटेजीज हम सीखे हैं। So what are the strategies and tricks, techniques that I have learned from 4 to 5 years? I cannot tell in 1 or 2 hours. So if you really want to spend quality time and learn something which is really worth, you can join me in my WhatsApp group. Once again, I'm telling you this. The WhatsApp group link is in the description. So thank you very much for watching this video. Good evening.